The phenomenon of sea and river water meeting can occur in many places throughout the world and usually gives rise to several interesting characteristics. The meeting between salty seawater and fresh river water forms a transition zone called an estuary. Natural phenomena where sea and river water meet are often mentioned as signs of God's greatness. Do you know? The phenomenon of sea and river water meeting is recorded in the Qur'an.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم مرج البحرين يلتقيان بينهما برزخ لا يبغيان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Hopefully it's useful for all of us. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully those who subscribe will go to heaven.